Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily transfer money from your RBC account to your Simply financial account using an Interact e-transfer. Let's get started. First of all, open the RBC mobile app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to your account and that you are connected to a secure network. Once you are in, tap on Move Money in the bottom navigation bar. This will bring up different transfer options. Next, tap on Send and Interact e-transfer. This is the easiest way to send money from RBC to your Simply account. Now you will need to select the recipient. If you have already set up your Simply account as a contact, just tap on it. If not, tap Add to enter your Simply email address as the recipient. Enter the amount you'd like to send. You can also choose when the transfer will be sent and the frequency if you want this to be a recurring payment. Double check all the details, then tap Send. RBC may ask you to verify the transaction for security reasons, so make sure to follow any prompts. Now open your Simply app, check your email for the Interact e-transfer notification, and follow the instructions to deposit the money into your Simply account. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from RBC to Simply in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.